Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the column with the condition and the output column you want. Once identified, click the target cell and type equals IF, condition, value if true, value if false, using cell references. Make sure to choose relative or absolute references like $1 so formulas behave when copied. After entering the basic IF, press enter and inspect the result. If it's correct, drag the fill handle or double-click to apply the formula to adjacent rows and proceed. Once you understand single IFs, expand logic with and an OR, for example equals IF and A20 B2100. OK, check. To handle multiple branches, use nested IFs or the clearer IFS function to avoid deep nesting. Test each branch independently. Make sure to comment or use helper columns to break complex tests into readable steps. After building the logic, copy formulas, then validate outputs across sample rows to ensure every branch behaves as expected before finalizing the sheet. Finish by auditing formulas. Use Evaluate formula to step through the calculation and Excel's error checking to flag issues. Once done, run quick checks like COUNTIF to spot unexpected values or COUNTBLANK to find missing inputs that break conditions. If results are off, make sure your cell references aren't shifting, check parentheses and operator precedence, and simplify logic into helper columns if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If outcomes look wrong, toggle one condition at a time to isolate the faulty test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.